Hello everyone, myself Vitusila from class 8D and my today's topic is on activity 6.1 on chapter 6 science chemistry, and in this activity I will show you how these things are combustible or not. I will burn this in this candle. These are the things: a stone piece, a coal, charcoal, a iron nail, a wood, a plastic straw, a matchstick, and this paper. I will show you how these properties have combustible or not. Now in our first thing I will burn this wood, and if the wood will burn, that means that this wood is combustible, and I will mark that combustible in this column, that the wood is combustible. If the column is not combustible, I will mark it here no. So let's see that how wood is combustible or not. As you can see that wood catches fire very easily and it started burning, so we can say that wood is a combustible substance. Now I will mark wood yes in this column. As we have seen, wood is a combustible, so I have marked it yes. Now I will burn this second item, which is paper, and I will mark in the table. So let's burn this paper. We have seen that paper catches fire very easily, so we will mark this item as combustible in this product. So I am marking this in this table now as yes. Now I have taken this iron nail and I will burn it, but make sure iron nail is too small, so I have taken this tongs to not get burned in my hand. So I am burning this nail now. As you can see that after some time this nail has not catch the fire, so we can say that this iron nail is a non-combustible substance. So now I will mark this iron nail, the column here, that it's an non-combustible. Now our fourth item is this plastic straw, and now I will burn this. If it burns, it's a combustible substance. It's not a combustible substance. As you can see that this plastic straw has currently catch the fire, so we can say that plastic straw contains combustible substance. So I will write here that plastic straw is a combustible substance. Now the fifth item is the stone piece. Now I will burn this stone piece and let's see that it's a combustible substance or not. As you can see, after some time this stone piece has not burned, but it have a black layer surrounded on it, but it has not been burned, so we will see that it's a non-combustible substance. So now I will write here non-combustible substance column, that stone piece is a non-combustible. Our next substance is this coal piece, and coal piece temperature is very high, so ignition temperature is very high, so it will take time to burn. It started burning. After a long time, while I have seen some red particles burning in this coal, it will take a lot of time for burning, so we can write that charcoal is a combustible substance. So I am writing here yes, it's a combustible substance. This matchstick, and matchstick is, I will burn here and you will see that it's a combustible substance or not. As its ignition temperature is very low, matchstick catches fire very easily, so we can write that matchstick is a combustible substance. I am writing here yes, matchstick is a combustible substance. Last we have concluded that the materials which I have taken in that wood is combustible, and paper is combustible, iron nail is not combustible, as we have seen that it not catches the fire, plastic straw is a combustible, and stone piece is not combustible as it get a black coating, but it didn't couldn't catch the fire. And the coal's ignition temperature is very high, so it takes time to catch the fire, but it also catches the fire, so it is also a combustible substance. Matchstick is also a combustible substance. We use it in a day-to-day life, and it catches fire very easily as its ignition temperature is very low. Thank you and have a nice day.